cool.
How long are you going to be in the country for?
About a week.
Oh, good.
I know. I've been here a few days, and then I'm staying a few more, so it's great.
Will you get to do a bit of travelling around?
Yes, I think we are. Indeed, I hope so. Yeah.
Now, there are two films in my life that I would list as the most beautiful, most moving, and you're in one of them.
Which one?
Dances with Wolves. Tell me about the experience of filming the most magnificent landscape. My other film, by the way, in case you're interested,
Yeah.
was Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon.
Oh, I agree completely, absolutely. And filming Dances with Wolves is extraordinary. I mean, it was a total absorption in another world, and it was beautiful to be on the prairie. It was beautiful to be with Native Americans. The whole thing was quite special. Yeah.
And do you ever watch that film again yourself now, years later?
I do, indeed. I haven't seen it a lot because I'm not a big fan of watching my own movies, but I have seen it several times, and every time I see it, I'm kind of amazed. And each time I see it, I like it more. So that's really kind of fascinating.
Because it really is one of the most beautiful, moving pieces of cinema. And it was my mother who said, you need to see this film. And being a typical daughter, I wasn't listening to what she had to say.
I understand.
I saw it and was moved beyond words.
I know. I think we needed desperately to come to terms with the tragedy of what happened to Native Americans in our country. And I think that it's a sort of feeling all around the world that we're all very aware of the fact that there were Aboriginal people everywhere who were displaced and in the process lost so much of the beauty of their culture and the beauty of their ideas. And I think we're at a point in the planet where we need them back. We're trying to recover some of the loss, and I think this movie was kind of the beginning of that in the States, certainly, in terms of the way we view Native American people.
Well, can I just tell you, it's such an honour to actually meet you, because literally those two films, and here you are now.
Oh, that's delightful. I love Crouching Tiger as well. I think it's brilliant.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful evening tonight in our beautiful Gaiety Theatre.
I'm so excited.
And enjoy the rest of your week.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mary. Thank you so much.
Lovely
It's a
to
real
meet you.
pleasure.
You
pleasure.
too. Okay.
Take care now.
Beautiful. Thank you.